another like 5 dexterity or
I need healing.
point, or like a 1% crit damage or something.
Go on.
Brett died, didn't you?
Shut up.
Are we really surprised?
My training has paid off.
No,
I grow in
not
power.
Okay,
I
I'm
hope
on
I'm
the
going
second level.
really. I'm going through making sure I did this stuff.
Oh, I just got 2 legendaries and 1 drop. I'm the best.
Yes!
Ah, bugs!
I require aid.
Ooh, legendary for me.
I require aid.
Brett, bring you some friends.
Dog.
Sorry, my dog. He's...
I have friends!
A fortune shrine.
Oh my.
I have more control now. I need healing.
Another pool of reflection.
Pool of reflection. I am badly hurt. Please stop it, bug. Can you not piss off for like half a second?
I grow weak.
I need AIDS.
You need AIDS?
Whatever my character said, I'm not gonna judge him. Oh, jeez, what have you found? What?
I don't know. I was trying to
Dang,
find your
died.
friend and I...
Haha, oh shit.
Oh, you guys are way the fuck over there.
Yes. Yes, indeed we are. Ooh, gold.
Ooh, piece of candy.
Oh no.
Motherfucker. I'm just gonna revive in town and repair and then come back.
Oh, this is a clusterfuck here.
Who should I teleport to? You or Brett?
Definitely me.
That is up to you.
Definitely me. I'm the one safe.
I try not to make it a habit of putting myself in safe situations.
I have more control now.
Ooh, there's a set piece here for me.
Save me.
Brett, I need you to come with me.
I need you to save me.
I'm almost to it! Almost to it! Yay!
Damn set pieces.
I'm on the 3rd floor.
Alright.
Oh, we unlocked the new Heroes of the Storm mount.
We did?
Yeah.
What'd we get?
Exhale Phantom.
You guys do 400% more damage now.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
feel more powerful.
Eat.
It's thoughtful. The most exciting Diablo playthrough the world has ever seen.
They're probably like, oh my god.
Make the pain stop!
Teleporting.
Jesus.
Teleporting to Brett is probably a bad idea.
You guys have a shield. You're impervious to damage.
Impervious to damage, you said.
Why?
I have giant carrion worms. I would like to disagree with you.
Hey, I got another set piece.
Nice. I'm on the 4th floor.
I warped back to Brett because I didn't go back to.
I'm not gonna kill the Rift Guardian until you guys get here, because I don't think you guys get loot otherwise.
Okay.
Shit. I pressed 4 and it died.
I got loot.
I'm trying to get to you, but I have a lot of
Got
stuff
here in
on
time.
right now.
Save me. Jesus.
Did you get loot?
I'm
I
trying to
did.
get to you.
I don't have cooldowns. This is cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no, I'm dead. Nope, no cooldown. Yeah. This is the only way to travel.
You're still in the rift, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Hey, items!
How satisfying. I am losing strength.
Nope, I grow stronger. I grow weak. Ow, you son of a bitch. I don't know where they're coming from now, really. Like, I have pissed something off. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, stand next to me, so that all the monsters come next to me.
Yay.
Okay? Good? Go back.
I need to go back.
Oh Christ! This was a bad idea!
I am losing strength.
I went back to town.
Interesting.
Alright.
Into town.
Now I'm turning to town. So I've gotten 3 set pieces. Interesting. But knowing my luck, it's for different sets, or is it all the same one?
There's, I think, 3 or 4 different sets for each. What color is elegant dye?
That I don't know.
Elegant?
Oh, it's pink! I'm so gonna fucking use this. Hell yeah. Look at me, I'm fabulous.
I can be pink? Wait, we should all be Power Rangers. He'll be the pink one. I want to be blue.
Who
You
will I
buy
be?
him from this guy.
I knew that.
Buy-
Let me be. I want to be the Blue Ranger. Okay, there's no blue. I'm gonna be the Red Ranger.
There's no blue?
No, I don't see a blue.
Oh, there's.
You can be the Green Ranger.
It changes all the time. I don't know why it changes.
Ooh, green for me.
Just purple.
I have more control now.
And who do I talk to dye my stuff? Over here?
You just No. Over. Where are
It
you?
isn't red at all.
But I'm coming.
You want not the abyssal one, I don't remember what it's called.
Young Commander
I'm gonna have to buy a
Calderos
supply of these
believes that the
fucking elegant
demonic
dice, though.
scourge will flee before a bloody show of righteous force. He intends to lead a charge from our fortifications tomorrow. Calderos can commit suicide by stupidity.
Alright, now how do I do the die?
Right click on it, and then click on your piece of armor that you want to change.
Ah, damn it. I sold it to him. No, I don't. Do I buy?
I think you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need 6 to dye every piece of gear.
Cool.
You can do boots, legs, chest, shoulders, head, and gloves. It's nice because you can like mix match gear and make it all look the same.
Yeah! Look at me.
Look at me, I'm fabulous.
Fabulous.
Morphin time. This isn't red. The description says a rich red dye. Red. It just isn't red. It's just not red.
Really have magic stuff.
I'm the shit brown ranger.
You really look like the shit brown ranger.
The fuck is my Megazord?
Piece of poop.
Oh,
Hey Brett, are these good for you? The things I'm dropping?
probably not, because I have better stuff.
Aren't you?
I have a weapon.
special?
Alright. Now to another rift.
Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna just try and upgrade a couple rings.
Very good. I should probably gem some. I'm gonna. I can't really gem my set stuff, so that's fine.
Look at me.
Ooh, look how pretty you look.
I am the shit brown ranger.
Doodoo brown!
In no way is this green. Is there a purple ranger?
I think so.
Yeah, there is.
Okay, I'll be him then. Or wait, I got it, actually.
Bitch.
There we go. I'm the white ranger.
There you go.
That would not be wise.
Ooh. I look pretty.
No, I will not do that.
Alright, you're fucking beefy.
Right?
You're so
check-
beefy looking. Holy
check-
shit.
Check me out. I look like a bird.
Should we all look like birds?
Yes.
My helmet. Where's my helmet that looks like that?
Okay, bird. I am a beautiful peacock. We are the bird rangers.